Jacob & Company. Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon. Main features are Jacob & Company. Bugatti Chiron Tourbillon watch is a horological marvel directly inspired by the Bugatti Chiron hypercar's engineering and aesthetics. It stands out for its unprecedented integration of a miniature functional engine automaton within a mechanical watch movement. The W16 engine automaton, this is arguably the most distinctive and captivating feature. At the press of a pusher, often integrated into one of the crowns, a miniature W16 engine block comes to life inside the watch. 16 pistons, tiny pistons, pump up and down, mimicking the firing sequence of the Chiron's iconic W16 engine. Crankshaft. A single miniature crankshaft drives the pistons, representing an incredible feat of microengineering. Turbochargers. 2 miniature turbines on the engine block also spin during the animation, adding to the visual spectacle. Sapphire block. The entire engine automaton is often housed within a transparent sapphire block, allowing for a clear, unobstructed view of its intricate workings. Duration. The animation typically lasts for about 20 seconds. 30 inclined flying tourbillon. The 1-minute flying tourbillon, a highly complex complication designed to counter the effects of gravity on a watch's accuracy, is set at a unique 30-degree angle. This not only enhances its visual appeal, but also contributes to its performance. The tourbillon carriage itself is often designed to resemble a Bugatti radiator grille. Hypercar-inspired design and architecture. Every aspect of the watch's design pays homage to the Bugatti Chiron case shape. The tonneau-shaped case is sculpted to evoke the flowing lines and muscular bodywork of the Chiron, including its distinctive C-shaped side scoops and the signature horseshoe grille at the front. Sapphire panels. Multiple sapphire crystal panels, often up to 7, on the case provide a panoramic view of the movement, much like the transparent engine cover of a hypercar. Suspended movement. The entire JCAM37 movement is often suspended within the case by 4 shock absorbers, spring struts, reminiscent of a car's suspension system. This also helps reduce vibrations.